Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jarrett, this is Supercar Specifics, and I'm taking a day off as my job as the O in Oprah to bring you guys some new, fresh content. I just first want to say thank you for all the support on my video explaining what happened, and I just want to say thank you for all the kind comments. Mr. Pink, that's great, brother, thank you. We need to do a catch-up video. Also just want to thank a few people really quick who supported me through this. Dennis Acuing, Dennis _ AKOYAKING, huge supporter of mine from the start. I am Russian. I'll put all their links to their Instagrams in description. Again, MJW _ photography, Isaac, Pearson, everybody who supported me through this hard time, it is so appreciated. Like, I don't think you understand how appreciative it is. I will be continuing to do discussion vlogs. I'm set up my studio a little bit better, and figured out how to fix the sound with my GoPro. So with that being said, I think, well, I know I'll be doing one on the new Lamborghini SC20. That's pretty insane. Some of the new McLarens that have been released, and then talking about other releases and discussion topics in the supercar and automotive industry. So yeah, so I'm on my way to go do adult things, everyday adult life things, you know, because life gets in the way sometimes. I also have a few upcoming things that are going to be pretty sick. I just got a message today. I'm not sure when or how it's going to be, but I got some big stuff coming up, you guys. Okay, this video. Like I said, before the end of the season, I've been banking footage. And again, please remember, some of the footage you will see is from a file that I have of when I had this microphone that I had bought that turned out to be garbage. So I'm trying to figure out the best way to use that footage, and I think it is turn down the volume, put the music so you can still hear the engine sounds, but not distorted. And then I have like a whole few files of banked footage that I've been saving up. So in this video, you'll see new content with my friends, one of 15 in the world, one of 100 in the world, Pirelli edition Aventador Roadsters, just like Stradmans. You've seen me start and rev it before. It's my friend Watchfinder. Please give him a follow. We will be doing stuff with him in the future with his watches. Like sort of group of supercars that showed up one night. We'll be seeing that. You guys remember F1 DNA and his heavily MSO'd Paris Blue 720. The one I got to start and rev. Not the one I went for a ride along in, but the one I started and revved at the beginning of the season. He'll be back in this, the white SVJ, and so much more. So please like, share, and subscribe. Those like buttons help so much. Okay, guys, I'm not going to babble on. Again, thank you for all your support. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I got content for years, you guys. Okay, thank you. Peace. Oh my god. Oh, it's Sean, dude. How you doing? Sean in the Pirelli Aventador. It's back! No way!
Why didn't Pista's back. Yes, dude. Sorry, it's okay.
Yo, Jared.
Brigio Telesto, sick. How you doing? Whoa, Supra. Okay, McLaren 650 and oh, it's so sick, dude. Oh, it's the blue caliber one. And look at the Supra. Holy sick, dude. Whoa. Whoa. Sick, it's the red. Wow. Thank you. Oh, that's sick. Yes. You're on an SP1. Oh, that's sick. Oh, that's really nice. Oh, that's the one I saw at the car chase. Okay, look at this, you guys. Carrera S, Ferrari 308 GTV, 3.8 GTV, and Zeus's Carrera 4S with the HRE wheels. He's the HRE dealer for Toronto.
Good night.
GT2.